Welcome to a world where street photography meets raw, unadulterated passion. And today, we are laying our hands on the single most anticipated rangefinder-style digital camera of the decade. For years, creators, documentary shooters, and aesthetic purists across the globe have waited, speculated, and held their breath for this exact moment. The legendary series that redefined how we interact with light and shadow is finally back with a vengeance, bringing cutting-edge modern engineering wrapped in timeless vintage nostalgia. If you thought rangefinder cameras were a thing of the past, what sits inside this box is about to completely shatter your expectations and redefine your creative workflow forever. Every curve, every dial, and every internal upgrade has been engineered with a singular purpose: to make you fall in love with the pure, tactile art of making photographs all over again. Today, we are opening this package together, exploring every unseen detail, and revealing why this specific body is sending shockwaves through the entire photography industry. Opening the top flap of this minimal matte black packaging immediately signals that you are about to experience something truly extraordinary and crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Resting right at the top is the documentation envelope, but beneath that protective layering sits the heavy, beautifully sculpted body wrapped in soft, premium foam. Pulling the camera body out of its resting place instantly gives you that unmistakable feeling of dense, industrial-grade quality that only high-end metal craftsmanship can provide. Holding this body in your hand reveals a substantial, confidence-inspiring weight that feels balanced, deliberate, and remarkably solid without ever feeling cumbersome or overly heavy. The tactile response of the textured top plate finish, combined with the signature mechanical dials, creates an immediate tactile connection that modern plastic camera bodies simply cannot replicate. Taking a closer look at the physical construction, the top plate features that iconic, deeply satisfying physical dial layout that rangefinder purists have cherished for generations. Powering this incredible camera body on for the first time reveals the lightning-fast performance powered by Fujifilm's newest image processing engine and high-resolution APS-C sensor. Navigating through the menu system is fluid, responsive, and intuitively organized, allowing you to customize control buttons, adjust focus tracking parameters, or tailor film simulation modes with ease. Speaking of film simulations, this camera includes classic legendary profiles, along with brand new custom color recipes engineered specifically to capture organic film grain and nuanced tonal transitions directly out of camera. Looking deeper into the box reveals the included accessories, including a high-capacity rechargeable battery, a braided USB-C charging cable, a comfortable neck strap with leather protective tabs, and a dedicated hot shoe cover. Every included accessory feels thoughtful and premium, designed to complement the camera's heritage aesthetic while delivering modern reliability on long shooting days. Pairing this body with a fast, compact prime lens balances the weight perfectly, creating a lightweight, discreet setup that seamlessly blends into any street scene or travel location. Ultimately, unboxing this masterpiece proves that modern digital camera technology does not have to sacrifice mechanical soul or tactile pleasure for peak performance. It stands as a powerful testament to thoughtful design, offering creators an inspiring tool that encourages intentional storytelling, artistic freedom, and an incredible connection to the visual art form.